Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Pharmacist Online. Today, we're going to discuss a trending topic you may have heard about: what happens when you stop taking Wegovy. Wegovy has been gaining popularity in recent years as a weight loss medication that helps people shed those stubborn pounds. But what happens when you stop taking it? Now, when you stop taking Wegovy, it's important to know that the weight loss benefits may not continue. In fact, you may start to regain the weight. This is because your appetite may return to its original levels, making it harder to maintain the weight loss you achieved while taking Wegovy. That's why you have to keep continuing the dieting and exercise. But it's not just about weight gain. There can also be some potential side effects when you stop taking Wegovy. For example, some people have reported feeling nauseous, dizzy, or experiencing headaches. These side effects may vary from person to person, so it's important to talk to your doctor if you're considering stopping Wegovy or experiencing any side effects. So, there you have it, folks. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you're considering stopping Wegovy or have experienced any side effects, don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel Pharmacist Online for more informative and entertaining videos. Thanks for watching.